Changing your Wi-Fi settings shouldn't be complicated, but many users find it confusing to navigate the router's interface. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to change your Wi-Fi name, update your password, and configure your security settings on your Linksys router. Let's get started. This guide works for several Linksys models, including the MBE 7000 series and LN 1400 models, the MX 6200 series, and as well as the LN 1100 series. Here are the troubleshooting steps for changing the wireless settings through your router's web interface. First, launch a web browser. Second, enter your router's IP address in the address bar, which is by default 192.168.1.1, and then press the Enter button. If you encounter a browser error message, simply follow the steps outlined in the link provided in the description below. Lastly, enter your router's password and click Sign In. The Linksys router's web user interface will be displayed. Click on the CA link at the bottom right corner of the page. This will allow you to separate or change the Wi-Fi names for different bands and at the same time, provide access to other Wi-Fi settings. Click on the Wi-Fi settings option on the menu. You can find this under the router settings. The Wi-Fi settings page will appear. From here, you can update the Wi-Fi name, SSID, and Wi-Fi password for the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. If your router supports it, you may also see a 6 GHz band that you can configure on this page. If you prefer to use different Wi-Fi names for each band, simply enter a unique name under each section. Click on Apply and then click on OK. After the settings are changed, you may now connect your wireless devices to your new Wi-Fi name using your new password.